isi mmalite Igbo ọ bụ uturu bụ o si wee malite ya wee jee sesịbalụ ụwa dum. Ị gakwa ala national archive ị ga-ahụ ya mgbe a na-achọ nchọ ka a mara ihe eji wee mara Igbo ebe nweta ebulu ugwu ele uturu ndị o doro anya ijekwela ka Israel ndị a na-akpọ Hibru mbụ Igbo ha na ebe a ndị ha kwetara ha bụ ndị Igbo ebe ka ha si malite ọ ebe a ngwa ugwu ele uturu nna jikọtara ochi na uturu onye a na-akpa na mgbe ha wee mụsịa ochi wee mụmụ ụmụ nke ya basaba ana mgbe mụma nke ya basaba ụmụrụ Isuọfịa dị na Anambra ọ mụrụ Isi ụlọ ọ dị na Anambra ọ mụrụ Ugwueme ọ mụrụ Na-enwe nta ọ mụrụ Umuhuọgwụ ọ mụrụ Isunjaba Udatu Tegete mbịa Mụsịa ka ị bịa n'ala Igbo ije na Yoruba o mere sendị otu Yoruba aka eze ọrụ ọdụ nke ụmụ ya anọghị ị ga na-ewe ị ga-ahụ ya otu aka esi wee mụsịa so isi Igbo bụ n'uturu ka ọ dị.
Most communities in Igboland, their name are derived from Uturu. And I'm asking myself, why is it that most names in Igboland has the same name in Uturu? And if you want to know where Uturu people are, go to every community. If you go to every community in Igboland and southern Nigeria, like they said, the Omok people are Uturu people that left on traditional medicine journey to help cure diseases, to help give people rain, to help pacify the gods. And that's where anywhere you see Uturu people are, there are two sections of people in that community. There are the people that have that are there who have settled, and there are other people where they go to receive their power or consult the god to be able to take care of their children and their land. Those people are always custodian of the nature and culture of that particular town. Those people are Uturu people. It is when you had moved on to a particular town and discovered the land and you settled, you come back home to take the native doctor from the people to go and pacify the land so that you can build and reside in that house. So see how the pattern of movement. It is when they continue on the journey and find any cave, underground settlement that they can go in and live, they will find a home in it. They moved here, settled at Ibuku, some settled at Nri. All of them, you'll find the hole like a form of cave where they stay. If you go further and ask them, the information they have is that they also came from Uturu. As you continue to search, you see that all of them, the little they can remember by their great-grandfathers is telling them that they are not from here, that they marched on to that particular land and they've resettled. The astrologers, they should come to Uturu. They are a way to check the wave and current of the land you are standing, what it is made up of. It is all here. If you go to Ngwa, you will see Uturu people. Omwa, you will see Uturu people. Amokwe in Udi are Uturu people. All of them are there. But people, when an empire has gone down, it is difficult for you to associate with an empire that has gone down. But now that we are saying that this world is opening up for people to identify with where they are from, a lot of people are now speaking out, because it is no more time for you to say that evil, that everything that concerns our culture are evil. There are good in every person's culture. If medicine is falling back to hereditary, is falling back to natural herbs for finding cure to major sicknesses. It means that whatever that is happening to us can as well be associated with our heritage. Finding our heritage can keep us alive. Finding where we belong can keep us alive. So this is one thing that left Uturu and the people that are in Uturu no choice than to bring back all our brothers, all the people that have left Uturu. Even when you read further, you understand that after the flood period is what anthropologists and historians were able to put bits and pieces with their own finding. Even the carbon reading from the stone here will tell you it's over 3 million years that people started in Uturu.
Here is the Igboland Autonomous Community Uturu in the Sokoto local government area of Abia State, Nigeria. This community, from the creation of the world, was made unique by God Himself. Otu ihe ị ga-eji mata bụ o nwere ihe nnobu n'ebe a ha na-akpọ nne m Chukwu. Dati nne m Chukwu ahụ mgbe ọ fụrụ ya bụ mgbe ọ fụrụ were gaa dowe gawa fụwa n'ihi a na-enye ya nsogbu eji iwe ya na-enye nsogbu ajụọ nka ji ka akọrọ anyị. Then that nne m Chukwu ahụ left something a na-akpọ ọfọ ahụ nke ọ dụbụ na ezi anyị ebe a. And ịbịa n'ala Igbo niile ihe ọ pụtara bụ jide ọfọ ahụ bụ ihe ndị Igbo ji aga ebe dum. And that Chukwu ahụ mpụrụ n'ebe a o nwere ihe mere na wee lawa wee nye ọfọ ahụ si ka e were na-echeta ya. Ọfọ ahụ bụ emekwela ihe ọjọọ, dokwa aka gị ọtọ, nye chi iwu dị iche iche. Iwu ahụ niile dị iche iche bụ n'obodo niile gara n'Igbo ajọ gị iji ihe anyị na-ekwu ejikwa ọfọ. So and onweghị ebe ọzọ ọfọ ahụ dị ọrụ n'ezi anya ebe a. So nke abụọ bụ na be anyị a nwere ndị bi mgbe ahụ bụ ha jee kpee ekpere kpokuo Chukwu Obiọma, ewepụtara ha okwute ha ga-ewepụtara ha ka ha ga-eji were gbujie ihe ọbụla ha chọrọ. Ịma ayọn mgbe ọ pụtara ka bụ o nwere oge oji pụta nwee mgbe ayọn na-adọrọ. So mgbe ayọn ahụ adọrọ dị ka ndị mmadụ si egbujisi ihe a na-egbuji na be anyị a ka e nwere n'ugwu ele a ka e nwere ihe ahụ eji egbujisi ihe before ayọn bịa.
Eloi.